The Thor Broadcast F-DVI-TxRx HDMI DVI VGA USB KVM Extender over IP supports 1080p or up to 1920 by 1200 video resolution and transports HDMI DVI VGA video over IP fiber. It includes TX transmitter plus RX receiver units, offers USB support for PC control keyboard access mouse remote extension, and uses LC-SC fiber connectors with SFP module support. The system supports one-to-many multicast and many-to-many broadcasting, supports audio stereo plus IR RS-232 bridging, and features a plug-and-play hardware design with built-in scaler and video wall support. Visit HDTVSupply.com to learn more.